Anway has been in the machine tools business since 1979 and has, through a dedication to quality, built up a vast network of clients across the world. Anway's insistence upon quality is not limited to our products, but also encompasses the equipment, staff, and services we provide. It is this total quality environment which forms the foundation of Anway's success and allows us to meet the tough challenges of the changing market, whilst ensuring that our clients' needs are always put first. Maintaining quality is a continuous process of strict inspections at all stages of the business cycle and allows Anway to be certain that all of the products coming off our production line meet our own, our customers, and the market's very high expectations. Meeting and even exceeding clients' expectations is something Anway takes very seriously, and we make sure that delivery schedules and deadlines are met. Creating and establishing a superior brand in the market has always been Anway's target. While focusing on achieving this goal, we recognize the need for consistent, planned and phased growth during each stage of the process. In our environment of continuous development and to meet the high precision requirements of the global market, we have recently successfully developed the new high-speed cutting ASK, ADS, ASG, and ACK series of products, which more than meet the market requirements for high-speed, high-precision tool holders. Rough and micro boring bar products. Anway has continued to produce many new series of products to ensure that we can provide an even wider range of products for our loyal customers. Additionally, Anway uses international standard specifications for the testing and examination of each product, such as BT, HSK, DIN, ANSI, in order to ensure that our products exceed the high standards required by the international market. Proactive development is key in the current market, and Anway invested in a major expansion, including new product developments and updating and examination of our facilities and processes, increasing the overall standard of the business for the new millennium. Through this process, they were able to increase production capacity, quality, reduce delivery times, and greatly increase the efficiency of customer order handling. In 2003, after receiving ISO 9001 certification for product quality control, administration and production management, customer service and technical support, we also invested in our staff through an extensive software and hardware training program to ensure continued product and personal development. Anway's products have been very well received in both domestic and international markets, selling very well in the USA, Canada, Italy, the UK, Germany, France, Australia, Switzerland, and many others. Anway has also developed and maintained close working relationships with machine manufacturers and agents from many countries over many years, increasing the precision and stability of our top quality products. With years of accumulated professional expertise, Anway's precision machinery is always able to meet the special product requirements of its clients. In this way, Anway is able to assist its clients with their own technological challenges and developments, ensuring the smooth running of the cutting processes in our clients' production facilities. For many years, Anway has been collaborating with our international customers to meet their custom product requirements. And through this international cooperation, we have been able to not only improve its own technology and skills, but also ensure that we are always fully conversant with the global market and its future requirements. This focus allows us to fulfill the needs of our clients, maintaining its position at the peak of its industry. Innovation through research and development is a key component in this industry. Anway's R&D team, with our many senior design engineers, is continuing to work on their program of rigorously researched projects to bring new, very high-quality products to our customers as quickly as possible. Amway ensures that its total quality environment, constant development, and customer service focus keeps it at the forefront of the market's requirements, living up to the company's motto that it is truly holding your future.